Changzhou Siferi Medical Technology Company founded in 2016. As a national high-tech enterprise and national little giant enterprise in China. The company is a professional manufacturer of dental equipment and consumables, has accumulated over 200 patent applications, including more than 50 invention patents, and over 100 utility model patents. Since its establishment, the company has maintained rapid annual revenue growth. The company's products now cover more than 160 countries and regions worldwide, and it has established cooperation with over 340 renowned universities, and thousands of top experts globally, reaching over 1 million dentists worldwide. Please take a look here. This is our high-precision 5-axis grinding machine for producing the Aurora endo files. Aurora endo files feature a very distinctive cross-section design, which is the key to ensuring the flexibility of the Aurora endo file. This machine is used for the automated coloring process of the endo file's copper handles. Different handles are marked with different color rings. This machine performs marking and engraving on the copper handles. Each handle is engraved with the specification of the Aurora endo files, its taper, tip size, and length. This machine is used to join the endo file body with the copper handle. This is an automatic assembly unit. On this machine, we not only perform the assembly operation, but also engrave rings on the working part of the endo file. This process comprehensive visual inspection. Our operators carefully examine each file under a high magnification microscope, checking its surface smoothness, cutting edge, and any imperfections such as burrs. After producing, the endo files are sent to the quality department, where a second inspection of the appearance is carried out. At this workstation, we perform a torsion test on our endo files to evaluate their mechanical performance. Over here, a fatigue resistance test is conducted on files from each production batch to verify that their lifespan meets our stringent quality standards before leaving the factory. Here, we perform a tensile pull test on the file and handle to ensure that, upon leaving the factory, the bonding strength between each endo file and its handle meets our quality standards.